Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to record a loan in Zoho Books. All right. To record a loan, you will need to create an account for the principal or a liability account and interest or an expense account here in your chart of accounts. Okay. Then after that, we're going to record the initial loan amount as a deposit from other accounts from the liability account to your bank. I know it's too much, but it's going to be pretty easy once you follow these steps. So first up, let's go ahead over to the home tab just for you to see. And here what we'll do is just go ahead over to the left panel and click on accountant and just go ahead and click on charts or chart of accounts. Okay, click on it and click on new right here at the top right. Now what you'll do under account type, click on drop down and select other current liabilities. Just type down right here other current liability. Now give it an account name, maybe other current liability sample. Okay, account code OCLS1, just for example. Okay, and hit on save. All right, as you can see here we now have our other current liability sample. By the way, you can go out inside the option long-term liabilities as well. Okay, just click on edit right here if you want to. Now, step 2 right here is to record the initial loan. So what we'll do is just go ahead over to banking in the left panel, like so. Now go ahead and select the bank, all right, or your bank right here. Now just add in a transaction. Click on the drop down, and in here we're going to select deposit from other account. Okay, there you go, under money in. There you go. In the right panel, we're going to fill in this form. Okay, the date, the amount, maybe just one, for example, via cash or bank transfer. It's up to you. Now here from account, click on the drop down. Now go ahead and select the liability account that you just created. Okay, right here under other current liability, OCLS1. Click on it, received from. I'm just going to go ahead and select Mrs. Ray Rebo right here. And then once that's done, you're good to go. Just click on save. And it says here the bank transaction has been recorded. So another step, or the last step right here, is we're going to record the loan repayment. Okay, so go ahead over to the home tab right here, click on it. Now just click on purchases. Okay, click on it. Now what we'll do is just go ahead and find bills. Okay, click on bills, create a new bill right here, or click on the drop down and select create self-built invoice. Right, I'm just going to click on new. The vendor name is the lender. Okay, again, the vendor name is the lender, which is you basically. Now the bill number right here, go ahead and add in the bill number, the bill date, like so, order number, accounts payable, payment terms, due on receipt or due on whatever, or hit on custom right here, and just make sure that you add in an item. Okay, once that's done, add in new item. Okay, you'll have to make sure that you add in 2 line items on the bill. So the first one right here at the top, or the first line, should be for the principal repayment, selecting your loan liability account from the chart of accounts. Right here under account, scroll down, loan liability account. Okay, that you just created. And the second one should be, okay, the interest expense. Okay, if you don't have the interest expense, just click on new account right here. Select the account type, interest, maybe just expense, enter interest expense. Okay. Account code IE1, save. There you go. Here we now have the interest expense. Okay. Customize the quantity, the rate, the tax amount right here. And once that's done, as you can see here we now have the total, and just hit on save as open. There you go. Here you now have your record for a loan here in Zoho Books. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.